Hi! In this video, we'll explore the different UI components available inside the Runetic editor. On the left panel, you'll find all available components. Under the UI section, you'll see a wide range of elements you can use to build the interface of your Agentic application. To add any UI component to the canvas, simply click on it in the left component panel. It will instantly appear on the canvas. Select any component on the canvas to view its properties. On the right side, the Properties panel shows every customizable option for the currently selected component. Each UI component has 3 connection handles. The top handle is the parent handle. The left handle is the input handle. The right handle is the output handle. The parent handle is used to attach this component under another parent component. The input handle passes values into the component, and the output handle sends this component's output to the next connected node. Now, let's modify some properties of the label component. The first field is label. This controls how the component is named inside the canvas. The next field is labeled text, which is the actual text displayed in your app. Let's type "Hello World" here. Next, we can set the font size. Let's change it to 30. Then font weight, we'll set it to 600. Finally, we'll choose a color. Let's set it to red. To preview our app, click the Preview button at the top right corner. As you can see, our label now displays Hello World with the font size, weight, and red color we applied from the Properties panel.